Hi, my name is Jason Wheeler and I'm the sales manager here at Clearview. I'm excited to start this journey with you in our Shelbyville community. Homeowners love living in Clearview for 3 reasons: the growing city, unique floor plans, and a convenient location. Downtown Shelbyville is a growing city that still has a quaint feel to it. All homes in Clearview have a full first floor brick wrap and a steeper roof pitch. This gives your community a great custom look while having the backdrop of farmland. Your new home is only 15 minutes from both I-65 and I-74, making your commute to downtown Indianapolis a breeze. Come out to visit me in Columbus at our Poplar Woods Arthur model and learn more about Silverthorne Homes. Let's start building a personality-packed home that's fit for your lifestyle.